Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
Welcome to the 2023 Florida RV Super Show in Tampa, Florida. The Entegra Ethos line has 3 different floor plans, but today we will be touring the Ethos 20D. The gross vehicle weight of this unit is 9,350 pounds. The unit is 20 feet 11 inches long and 9 feet 3 inches tall. It has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, a 2,800 watt gas generator, and a 1,000 watt inverter. You also get a 200 watt solar panel and an outside shower. The freshwater tank holds up to 25 gallons. The gray tank has a capacity to hold up to 17, while the black tank holds 12 gallons. Inside, you'll find a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, a Trumba Equa Plus water heater and furnace, and you'll find plenty of seating, a long couch for lounging, and a wet bath. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Ethos. Let's start on the outside.
So starting with the outside here, they do have an awning on top here with a solar panel up on top as well. Coming around the side here, we do have an outlet on this side. So over on the driver's side, you have your power hookup, your cable satellite input. You also have a city water connection, a regular outlet here. So for your tanks down here, you have your drain valves. Here you have a propane quick connect on the bottom, on the driver's side. And then your gas tank you can't get to unless you open the door. Okay, so looking in the cab area here, we have cup holders, USB hookups, display for your GPS and so forth. You have a little bit of storage up above, right there in those pockets. Then if you back up here, you'll find the TV. Now this will come down, you pull this out here, and then it will drop down for you. And there's also a skylight here. So behind the cab area, there's a screen door that'll shut if you don't want to have the main door closed. That way you can get some air. Keep the bugs out by doing that. You have 2 seats in here with a table. So up above the TV, this area here actually converts into a bunk. It'll go upwards and then you have a bunk area. Above the seat here you have some storage. DVD CD player. And this ladder is to get up on the bunk then once you have it set up. You have a station here, your control station. And over here we have some storage. You can use as a pantry. Got another one down here. Then the fridge they have in here, I guess it's a decent size for being in a Class B van. Not too bad. Next to the fridge, you have the bedroom area where you have some more storage up above. All the way across. Then this seat converts into a bed. On the kitchen area, you do have this sink, faucet right next to it. It's not telescoping though. And you also have a burner here, induction stove. Underneath is some storage. And a microwave. Storage underneath that for pans, cookie sheets. Little silverware drawer with a cutting board. Nice countertops. You have a charge bay. And then this would be good for your dishes that you have along with you. And you have a little TV next to that. So you can sit here and cook and watch TV all at the same time without having to get up if you really wanted to. And right next to the sink here on the outside, you have your outdoor shower. Here's the wet bath. Not much separates this from other wet baths.
Thanks everyone for joining us today, and if you found any of this information useful, please give us a like and feel free to subscribe. Take care everyone.